The SAT thinks you need a calculator to solve this question, but you really don't. So the question is asking for the positive solution of the given equation. So first off, with any quadratic, you have to turn it into standard form. So negative 4x squared minus 7x, and all we have to do is move negative 36 to the other side, so plus 36 is equal to 0. So negative 4 is our a value, negative 7 is our b value, and 36 is our c value. What I would recommend with quadratics is to not go directly to the quadratic formula, but try factoring first. Because if you factor, you might not need to use a calculator. The neat trick for factoring is that if you have a times c, which is negative 4 times 36, which is negative 144, all you need to do to factor it is find a number that multiplies to negative 44 and then adds to our b value, negative 7. To save time, those numbers are negative 16 and 9. Your next step would be to factor by grouping because it makes it easier. So we have negative 4x squared minus 16x plus 9x plus 36 is equal to 0. Once we have this here, we have to find the common factor for each term. So for the first term here, the common factor is just negative 4x, and then you're going to be left with negative 4x times x, which is negative 4x squared, plus 4. So negative 4x times 4 is negative 16x. That makes sense, so we're good. And then on this side, the common factor that we can factor out is only 9. So 9 times x plus 4 again. This is very useful, x plus 4, because now we can factor out the x plus 4 on its own and then combine the 9 minus 4x. So we can have two factors. Now, all you need to do to find the answer is just find what makes the first factor equal to 0 and what makes the second factor equal to 0. So for x plus 4 equal to 0, simply x has to be negative 4. For the second one, 9 minus 4x is equal to 0. We can rewrite it as 9 equals 4x, and then x must be 9 over 4. This answer, negative 4, is not needed because it's asking for the positive solution. So the only answer we care about here is 9 over 4, which is B.